Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jimbo. Today we're talking about kind of one of, I think, the best products in the new Meguiars hybrid ceramic line, which is their detailer. I actually think this detailer is more durable than even the blue bottle stuff, and definitely the liquid wax. Anyway, it's a ceramic quick detailer, and this bottle is 26 ounces and comes in at about 17 bucks at the time of this recording on Amazon. Of course, boasts extreme water beading, wipe on, wipe off, ceramic protection, removes light, dust, fingerprints, whatever. Can also pair it up with their clay disc and clay the car as you can with every detailer on the face of the earth as well. And then up against that, we're checking out this product. This is Nanobond Fusion ceramic detailer. And I really like to bring in some of these boutique style brands, these littler brands that are trying to kind of make a footprint in the industry, because I really think sometimes a littler brand will have not necessarily better technology, but be willing to put more in a product than some of these kind of legacy brands are. However, we're trying it against this. Now, I will be honest, this 16-ounce bottle comes in at 30 bucks, which is pretty expensive for a quick detail spray. But when I look at the viscosity of it and when I kind of play with it, I think this is a lot more than a quick detail spray. It kind of almost seems to be more of a spray wax. And the price kind of reflects that as well. But again, I like to go with what's on the label, and they call it a ceramic detailer. So I thought, what better of a video than to pair these two up, both being ceramic detail sprays. Put them on the panel, let them cure. We're gonna take some gloss meter readings, see which one is glossier, and then of course we're gonna take it through the torture test. So let's get started with all that now. All right, so on the left side, we'll do the Meguiars hybrid ceramic detailer. This is, let's do two sprays. I think by far their best hybrid ceramic product. So I actually think it offers more chemical resistance and more chemical durability than even the blue bottle does. I think if I were to recommend one product in the hybrid ceramic line, it would actually be that product. Goes on very smooth, makes it pretty slick underneath the towel. And then we're gonna do some gloss readings here as well. So on the right side, I will apply the Nanobond and Fusion ceramic detailer. To me, it actually looks more like a spray wax, but they say spray detailer. I'll do two sprays there. Kind of like I've mentioned before, I want to give some love to some of these boutique brands to see, you know, if they can stand up to the legacy brands. I think it's cool. Goes on just as smooth, seems to rub in just as smooth as well. Let's take some gloss meter readings, at least some initial ones. We're gonna let it cure 24 hours. In fact, I've already done the torture test, kind of did it backwards here, but movie magic, huh? So let's get some initial gloss readings here and see if one of them offers more. So in the middle, the gloss readings, 88.5, 88.5, 89 is kind of our control section, which is bare, clear. Let's see the Nanobond, 89.5. Come on, 88, 89.5. Let's go down here, 87.5. 89.5, so about a 1 gloss unit jump from 90 on the Meguiars, 90 again from Meguiars, 89.5, 90, 89.5. So the Meguiars is actually picking up a little bit more gloss than the Nanobond, even though they apply both the same. The Meguiars about that half gloss unit higher in gloss than the Nanobond. So let's take it into the torture test, see if that actually means anything. Let's go ahead with that now. All right, so Nanobond on the right, the Meguiars on the left. And I really do feel like in the ceramic, what is it, hybrid ceramic, whatever, that the Meguiars quick detailer is the best product in that line. But let's see how it fares against another boutique brand. And I think, you know, we've started to have some success with some of these boutique brands, and so I'm trying to give them a little bit of a shout out, I guess. Looks good from the, are you kidding me? I started it before and everything, whatever. So the Meguiars beads water really good. You can see the control section sticking, and the Nanobond, the Nanobond really good. All right, first up, let's hit it with the Eagle 1, maybe. Do I have enough left? Let's try it. Okay, Eagle 1. Run it, starting to run low. And last time I was at AutoZone, there was only one bottle left. No. Now, I will say, to be fair, these are quick detail sprays, and so they're not, I would think, they're not really designed to be that crazy durable. However, as we've kind of gone through these tests and seen, a lot of the quick detail sprays can be more durable than some of the liquid waxes we've even used. So that's pretty cool to see. All right, let me wet it down, and I gotta get my wet towel going here. See where we're at there. Still about even, maybe none of them really broke, I'd say. Still looking pretty even, and shoot, for a quick detail spray. We've seen other waxes do worse than that. So still getting out the panel really good. Well, yeah, I would say pretty good. Took a little bit of a hit, but not really anything to worry about. Little bit of a hit to the Nanobond, but again, nothing to worry about. Let's hit it with lithium auto elixirs. Don't hurt yourself, Bryant. Hyper cleanse. Was this the sealant killer? I don't remember. Or I don't know. I thought it was, but maybe not. Again, we're talking about detail spray, so nothing crazy here, but let's see how it does to the lithium. Easy there, panel. Where are you going? Right, let's rinse off this residue. The one thing I like about this lithium stuff is it doesn't leave, it has residue, but it doesn't leave a ton of residue like a lot of the other products do. Hit it with the wet towel and see where we're at here. So really what I want to see is, can a boutique brand outbeat a legacy brand, or at least compete with the legacy brand? So that's kind of what I'm trying to figure out. Whew. Still pretty close, still sheeting. Seeing a little bit up here on the Nanobond, but I'm not sure if that's the direction of my flow. I guess let's do one side at a time. We'll do the Meguiars. Still sheeting, albeit slow, faster than the control section. Still holding up. And this is why I think the Meguiars is, one of the better products in their hybrid ceramic line. Let's look at the Nanobond. So definitely has broken down, but I don't know, really, really close. Let's hit it with the blower. Say for quick detail sprays, both of these are holding up extremely well. Starting to sag on the blow a little bit, but still really not bad for the Meguiars side. Same with the Nanobond. I mean, we've lost the hydrophobic properties, but it's still getting off the panel relatively quick. If we look at the control section when you do it, it just kind of hangs back and hanging back a little bit on the detail sprays, but not super duper bad. So I think pretty dang impressive for both of the detail sprays. So let's try the Meguiars Citrus Power Cleaner Plus. I think this killed everything last time. Yay. JP's here. Sup, bro? Sup? Hood on, windows down. I think if you were cold, you would just roll your windows up. Just kidding. Probably doesn't watch these anyway, huh? Were you cold? What'd you bring? All right. All right, we gotta hurry up with this torture test. There's food. Shh, we're right in the middle of filming. All right, so both definitely pretty flat. Let's see if one is sheeting or beating faster than the other. That Nanobond's still at the top right, kind of hanging on a little bit. So definitely, I would say worst case scenario, definitely held on. They're both really flat. Let's hit it with the air and see how we're doing. There we go. So it's starting to stick. Pretty dead there, but still pretty dang good, I'd say. On par and even, man. I would say it's starting to stick. It's definitely breaking down a lot, but definitely held up to the Meguiars, and I would say this is probably the best Meguiars product in their ceramic line. I like it better than the blue bottle stuff. Definitely have broken down. We'll end the torture test there, but at least the Nanobond held up to the Meguiars. Sometimes we see these kind of boutique brands not even hold up at all, and the products are just junk. So overall, at least it was able to hold up with the Meguiars and did a pretty dang good job, especially for just a quick detail spray. We'll end it there, boys. Okay, so I'll be the first to admit that doing a video, especially when it includes a torture test, is extremely hard when it comes to quick detail sprays. I was really hoping that there would be some sort of differentiator. I was hoping the Nanobond would be crazy durable or stick out much more than the Meguiars, but in all honesty, they did both about the same, which is good that a boutique brand could deliver the same quality as a legacy brand. I was just hoping personally for something more of a differentiator, but I really didn't see that. In fact, the Meguiars took a little bit more of a glossier surface, had about a half a gloss unit. Not much, but more gloss, and at almost half the price, it may be a better buy unless you want to support a little boutique brand. But let me know what you think about this. Do you have any ideas on how to showcase a quick detail spray in a better light? I'd love to hear your thoughts, feelings, and emotions in the comments below. And on your way down, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button, and I will catch you guys on the next episode. See ya.